Let's select the target rig. Now the source animation file. Select FK feed. Since the rest poses are different, enable redefine rest pose and exclude some problematic bones. For auto-scaling, let's choose the original AutoRig Pro method. Click the retarget operator. Import the same source file again. Click here to show overlays and rigs. Let's play both animations. As we can see, they are unsynchronized. There is a perceivable gap between them. Now let's use our auto-scaling method, select the pelvis bone. And FK legs again. Click retarget. Import the same source file. Show the rigs and let's play the animations. They are perfectly synchronized. We can't see any gap between the rigs.